Ram Ramji, Namaskar, good morning. This is Chaudhary Pawan Soloth and you are watching Mission IT Education.
हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। टुडे आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द पर्सनल सिक्योरिटी अवेयरनेस। क्या होती है पर्सनल सिक्योरिटी अवेयरनेस, इसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। बेसिकली कोई भी सिक्योरिटी जो अपने अवेयरनेस के लिए यूज़ की जाए, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड आवर ओन पर्सनल सिक्योरिटी। सो बेसिकली SSL, HTTPS, filter, firewall, antivirus, these are all the steps to make you a superhero. So how we can do it? We can recognize different kinds of stuff like password. We can stop phishing, take regular backups, avoid taps and pitfalls. This can reduce online risk. So we just go through with password. What do we mean by password? Password is kind of a credential in which we can use different secret phrase. There are different faces are there. We can use the upper letter, lower letter, or kind of special characters. So you think that how we can password store? So basically if you think that अगर आपके पास कोई एक कंप्यूटर है, उसमें आपका कोई एक अकाउंट है, मे बी फेसबुक अकाउंट, ईमेल आईडी अकाउंट या किसी का ट्विटर अकाउंट, तो उसमें पासवर्ड जरूर फिल करते हैं। अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे आपका पासवर्ड है, अगर हम पासवर्ड एक ऐसा फिल करें जो हमें याद रह जाए, तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम सेम पासवर्ड यूज करते हैं। वी यूज सेम पासवर्ड इन एवरी IDs. Or the bad guy, that is called hacker, target the same password and he got all the password of different IDs. So basically the recommendation is that you use different password for each system, because you know that if one account is hacked, then all account will be hacked easily. So first recommendation is that you use different password at different accounts. Okay, and another idea is that how can password manager helps? Because password manager is kind of tool or software which is used to store the passwords. So basically you can use the password manager. आप यूज कर सकते हो, मगर सबसे बड़ा रीजन ये आता है, आप एक अपने बेस पे एक बढ़िया गुड क्वालिटी पासवर्ड मैनेजर यूज करो। उससे ये होगा कि आप जब स्टफ रखते हो अपना, उस पर एक प्रकार से लॉक लग जाएगा, और उस लॉक को तभी एक्सेस कर सकते हो जब आपके पास पासवर्ड मैनेजर का अकाउंट होगा। So this is very helpful to use, and you can change your password regularly, because if you change your password regularly, someone hacks your password and someone got access into your account, then you can change password, then the account is been disabled, so he can't access anymore. The main thing that is called two-factor authentication, it is also known as 2FA. So basically 2-factor authentication is that someone got your username as well as your password, then another security works that is called 2FA, two-factor authentication, that gives you OTP or kind of security codes. So two-factor authentication बहुत ही यूजफुल और महत्वपूर्ण टेक्नोलॉजी यूज की जाती है पासवर्ड्स को सिक्योर करने के लिए, अपनी सिक्योरिटी को एनहांस करने के लिए। ओके, सो आपके बारे में सिक्योरिटी क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, लाइक समथिंग यू नो, समथिंग यू हैव। सो बेसिकली दैट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल टू डू two-factor authentication. So I think that are the very useful stuff. Or you can use also your phone and your laptop base same factor, that is called two-factor authentication. You can use security code at that case. Two-factor authentication helps very useful in that kind of matter. Recommendation is that you use two-factor authentication. If available, use it. You think that it not works, then it's your kind mistake. Another thing that is called email. Email is also known as electronic mail. As you all know that email is used to transfer different kinds of mail to different recipients. So basically email is also another source of phishing. Phishing, what do you think by phishing? The phishing is done by the scammers or kind of bad guy, that is called hacker. The main aim is to get access your email ID or kind of stuff from your PC or from your drives. So they just gave you fake mail like from spammer to you, date is today and the subject is that. So basically the main purpose is not to you view this kind of message. The main purpose is to spam you, and another main purpose is that you got access of that particular system. So they kind of phishing is also now trapping. So you can trap easily in that web and you lost all your concepts. So So basically, kind of phishing is very dangerous because phishing is trap, and I already tell you about the phishing is another cyber security kind attack. So it's masquerading sender tricks you into supplying sensitive information. Basically, the main purpose is to get your information. So they send you different kinds of phishing mail, real email message, and that is the phishing mail message. So this same basically this shows same, but when we go into that, you got a shockful option. See this.
आप जुड़ जाइए चैनल से और जल्दी इसको सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए वीडियो को। सीखते रहिए, स्टे लर्निंग, स्टे मोटिवेटेड। अपना ख्याल रखें। जय हिंद, टेक केयर, वंदे मातरम।